Valaka, the deep space vanguard deployed to the planet to map what's happening underground.
Brimstone 1, we marked a few ore bays on your map. Grab those resources. You're gonna need them. Brimstone 1, this is Pyre. Your mission is to establish a base and power up the Ark. Once it has been fully activated, we'll return to extract you and your team. Good luck, troopers.
Fight through the pain, trooper. Just walk it off.
Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Arachnid threat levels are on the rise. Stay frosty, troopers.
Refinery activated.
Turn on.
First aid administered. Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Warning, arachnid threat levels have increased.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Brimstone 1, reinforcements are limited. Keep your teammates alive out there.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Grenade out!
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Loading fresh mag!
Warning, arachnid threat levels have increased.
Cover me! Reloading!
Arachnid hive detected in your sector. Proceed to destroy it.
The base is under
Reloading.
attack.
Enemy arachnid patrol detected. Eliminate it to reduce arachnid threat levels in your AO.
Reloading!
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Walk it off!
Under attack in the eastern quadrant. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Warning. The Ark is under attack. Ark successfully spotted. Warning. The Ark is under attack. 50% hull strength. The arc is under. The base. Emergency. Arc has sustained critical hull damage.
Fire to Brimstone 1, we've lost the Ark. Proceed to the extraction point. You need to get off the planet now. Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol.
This is Vulture 1. Evac is on the way. This is Vulture 1. Move to the designated LZ. On the bounce.
Listen up, troopers. This is an ARC mission. Establish a base, gas up the ARC, and activate it. Once it's done its part, head to the extraction point. Pyre out. online and operating at full capacity. Stand by to receive the Ark.
Brimstone 1, this is Vulture 1. Payload is loaded up and en route. Stay clear of the drop zone. Payload is on the ground. Vulture 1 is returning to the Gurren.
Brimstone 1, we have ore refineries in your sector. Grab the ore and build up the base. On the bounce.
The Ark is under attack.
Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Be advised, sensors indicate arachnid threat levels have risen.
Warning. The Ark is under attack.
I'm out of ammo. Need resupply. Changing magazines. Activating ability.
Brimstone 1, this is Pyre. Your mission is to establish a base and power up the Ark. Once it has been fully activated, we'll return to extract you and your team. Good luck, troopers. Brimstone 1, mobile headquarters location is established. Stand by for the Ark. ETA 1 minute.
This is Vulture 1. I have a lock on your base location, inbound with the payload. Clear the drop zone. Payload is on the ground. Vulture 1 is returning to the Gurren.
Brimstone 1, we have ore refineries in your sector. Grab the ore and build up the base. On the bounce. Troopers, watch your step out there. We've been told reinforcements are limited for this engagement. Stay safe and Godspeed. Enemy arachnid control detected. Eliminated to reduce arachnid threat levels in your AO. Be advised, arachnid threat levels have risen.
Warning. The Ark is under attack. The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Enemy arachnid patrol detected. Eliminated to reduce arachnid threat levels in your AO. Be advised, sensors indicate arachnid threat levels have risen.
Resources ready.
Warning, arachnid threat levels have increased. Hive detected in your AO. Destruction of the hive is recommended.
Reactivated.
The Ark is under attack. base is under attack in the western quadrant. Warning, the Ark is under attack.
Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Be advised, Arachnid threat levels have risen.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Fresh mag.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Attention! Elevated arachnid threat levels have been detected.
Command has authorized a weapon swap. We've loaded a burst of few M55 rocket launchers into ammunition. Location is marked on the TAC map. Happy hunting.
Resources ready. Refinery activated.
base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Resources ready. Refinery activated.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Resources ready.
Cover me! Reloading!
Warning. Refinery is under attack.
Be advised, arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Attention, elevated arachnid threat levels have been detected.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant. The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Great job, Brimstone 1. Ore levels are good to go.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
All DSV units, gas refinery locations verified. We need the ARC scanning ASAP.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
We got incoming plasma bombardment. Keep eyes on and get the job done ASAP.
Can we get some ammo back near the arc?
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Be advised, sensors indicate arachnid threat levels have risen.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Thank you, medic.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
fire, taking damage. We're hit. Oh, we're going down. Stand by. Brimstone 1, we have a downed bird in your area. Look for survivors and recover supplies.
Refinery activated.
Arachnid Patrol has advanced out of this sector. We've missed our chance to nail them. LCSB unit, gas refinery location verified. We need the arc scanning ASAP.
Refinery is under attack. Resources ready.
The plasma bugs have been exterminated. Continue with the mission.
Ability active. Got no ammo. Request immediate resupply.
Be advised, Arachnid Patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Emergency, Arachnid
Changing
threat
mags.
levels have reached critical. Bug horde is inbound, size indeterminate.
Changing magazines. Changing magazines.
The base is under
Cover
attack
me.
in the eastern quadrant.
Loading fresh mag. Activating the build.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Changing magazines. Heads up, grenade out.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Changing mags. Loading fresh mag. Completely dry. Need ammo. Engaging ability.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Resources ready.
Please do not start yours. Please do not start it.
Refinery activated.
Yes.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
resources ready.
Engaging ability.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant. The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Retreat, I say again, retreat. Mission
Changing
failure.
mags.
All reinforcements are KIA. Extraction ship on its way.
Brimstone 1, we have your location. Stand by for extraction.
Hey, look over there.
This is Vulture 1. Move to the designated LZ. On the bounce.
Come on, guys.
Grenade going out.
Let's get in.
We're leaving in 30 seconds. Get in the ship or be left behind.
One more.
Find your assigned seating. We're returning to the Gurren now.
Grenade